Hello everyone, Sheila Schelske, Agtegra Grain Marketing Specialist out of the Kennebec location. We started off the week with China and the US reaching a new agreement in Beijing where China committed to buying at least $17 billion a year in US ag products through 2028. They're also setting up a joint trade and investment board to build a smoother framework for long-term trade flows. China also confirmed reciprocal tariff reduction plans worth about $30 billion each way, but traders are cautious. China fell short on phase 1 commitments, so the market wants to see actual follow-through before getting too excited about this new agreement. In the Middle East, President Trump delayed planned military strike on Iran as negotiations continue. Iran says progress is being made and a few crude tankers successfully passed through the Strait of Hormuz this week, which holds some risk premium out of the energy markets as well as the corn and soybeans. In South America, Argentina announced export tax cuts on wheat and barley starting next year, with soybean tax cuts planned for 2027. On the weather side, U.S. planting made strong progress. Corn is now 76% planted, with emergence at 39%. Soybeans are 67% planted, with 32% emerged, which is well ahead of average for both commodities. Winter wheat conditions slipped again to just 27% good to excellent, which is the lowest for this time of year since 1996. Hard wheat areas are expected to see near normal to above normal rainfall over the next 2 weeks. National Weather Service also released its summer outlook for June through August, which everyone's been keeping a close eye on. Calls for above normal temperatures across most of the country, but precipitation is still a toss-up with equal chances of above normal to below normal precipitation expected. Internationally, Brazil's safrinha corn crop is showing some dryness stress. About 40% of the crop saw less than half of the normal rainfall over the last 2 weeks, and 17% saw that level of dryness over the last 30 days. This is unusual. So overall, the week was driven by big trade headlines early, easing geopolitical tensions midweek, and strong export demand to close things out. As we head into next week, the key things to watch will be the U.S. weather, China's follow-through on purchases, and global wheat production trends. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions, contact your Agtegra Grain Marketing Specialist. We're here to help. That's what we do.